Welcome to Rizzi. In this session, we are going to start the new chapter, that is pair of straight line. Pair of straight lines chapter is the next chapter of straight line chapter. This is an interlinked chapter of straight line chapter. And if you discuss about pair of straight line, this is the fourth chapter of mathematics B, pair of straight lines. This is a new chapter name. This is a interlinked chapter of straight line chapter. Already we have discussed about the straight line chapter here, and if you discuss about the weightage of this pair of straight line chapter, weightage, what will be the weightage here? Weightage, this is the weightage we are going to discuss here. For IP they will ask for 14 marks. Between for this 14 marks, 7 plus 7, 2 7 marks question they will ask for IP. Total weightage of this pair of straight line chapter is 14 marks. And when it comes to JEE mains, so for JEE mains there is a possibility to get one question to two questions for the exam of JEE mains. And when it comes to MSET, there is a possibility to get 2 to 3 questions for MSET for a pair of straight lines chapter here. This is all about the weightage of pair of straight lines here. And when we discuss about the introduction part of pair of straight lines, introduction of pair of straight line, the word only says it is nothing but pair is nothing but two here. So pair of straight line, the combination of two straight lines we are going to discuss in this chapter. The combination of two straight lines we are going to discuss in this chapter. So the pair of straight line is nothing but two straight lines. This is one straight line and this is one more straight line, L1 and L2. We are going to discuss the relation between the concepts between two straight lines here. And first of all, we have to discuss the homogeneous equation of pair of straight lines. The homogeneous equation of pair of straight line. Homogeneous equation of pair of straight lines here. And before discussing about homogeneous of pair of straight lines, we have to discuss about straight lines. The standard form, the general form of straight line equation is ax plus by plus c is equal 0, where c is represent it is not passing through origin, and when an equation in the form of ax plus by is equal to 0, then the equation is passing through origin in a coordinate axis here. So generally the equation of standard form of equation of straight line here, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. If c is represent the line which is not passing through origin, and if ax plus by is equal to 0, then the equation of line is passing through origin. This is nothing but the explanation about only straight line. Here, pair of straight line. I am taking example of one straight line, that is, if you discuss about example problem, we can easily understand the concept here. So L1 is equal to, I am taking 2x plus 3y, and L2 is equal to, I am taking 4x plus 5y is equal to 0 and is equal to 0. Here I am taking two straight lines here, they are passing through origin. This is all about the coordinate axis x dash O, and this is y y dash. So I am taking two straight lines which are passing through origin. This is one straight line, this is one more straight line. This is nothing but L1, this is L1 is equal 0 and this is L2 is equal 0. Here two straight lines are there. This is L1 and this is L2, and these two straight lines are passing through origin. I am taking direct example for this one. After this solving these two equation, we can find the homogeneous equation of pair of straight lines here. So these two straight lines are passing through origin. L1 is equal 0 and L2 is equal 0. Why they are passing through origin is nothing but here we don't have any constant term. So that's why we can say they are passing through origin. So L1 into L2, pair of straight line is nothing but L1 into L2 is equal 0. Now I am taking 2x plus 3y into 4x plus 5y equal to 0. Now multiply this term with whole equation, then we will get 2 into 2, 2 into 4, 8, x into x become 8x square and 2 5 ja 10xy. Now we need to multiply this total term with this term with total expression. Then what will be the solution here? 4 3 ja 12 y into x xy. Next 3 5 ja 15 y into y becomes y square. So if you write the terms together, 8x square plus 10x plus 12xy, 10xy plus 12xy, that is 22xy plus 15y square is equal 0. If you compare this equation with ax square 2hxy plus by square is equal 0. This is the standard form of expression of homogeneous of pair of straight line which are passing through origin here. This is all about the homogeneous equation of pair of straight line when two straight lines are passing through origin. I am erasing the diagram here. So when two straight lines are not passing through origin, now discuss about the diagram for this one is, so first one is the two straight lines are passing through origin, and the second one is two straight lines are not passing through origin. So this is x, y, this is 0, this is 0, x and y here. When two lines are passing through origin and when two lines are not passing through origin, the point it is alpha comma beta I am taking here. Some point I am taking alpha comma beta here. When this is for already we have discussed about the line which is passing through origin. This is L1 is equal 0 and this is L2 is equal 0. Here this is L1 is equal 0 and this is L2 is equal 0. Let's, I am taking L1 is equal 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal 0, and again I am taking the L2 equation 4x plus 3y plus 5 is equal 0. This is L1 and this is L2. Here we have constant term, so it is having some value here, so it is not passing through origin. The two straight lines are not passing through origin here. Let's, L1 is equal L1 into L2 is equal 0. Let's multiply the equation 2x plus 3y plus 4 into 4x plus 3y plus 5 is equal 0. Let's multiply this term with whole the equation 2x into 4x, 2 to the 8, x into x becomes 8x square, 2x into 3y, 3 to the 6, x into y, xy, and 2x into 5, then it will become 5 to the 10, 10x. Next 3y into the whole equation, 3y into 4x, 3 4 ja 12, x into y, xy. Next 3y into 3y, it will become 9y square, 3y into 5, then 15y. Next 4 into the whole expression here, 4 4 ja 16x, 4 3 ja 12y, 4 5 ja 20 is equal to 0. Now write the terms together here. 8x square plus 9y square plus here 6xy and 12xy. Completely you can write 18xy. Here 10x and 16x. Total 26x. 15 and 12 here. So total 27y. And finally the constant term is plus 20 is equal 0. This is the final product of these two straight lines here. If you compare this equation with ax square plus by square plus 2hxy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal 0. This is the most important expression of homogeneous of pair of straight lines homogeneous equation. It is not passing through origin here, it is passing through origin here. Here if you take in place of L1, in place of L2, you can take general form a1x plus b1y and L2 is equal to a2x plus b2y. Here also you can take a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal 0. We will get the common terms here. So if you practice like this, if you solve like this, you will get confusion. So instead of that, I am taking the real equations so that easily we can understand where a is equal to 8 and b is equal to 15 and 2h is equal to 22, then h is equal to how much here? 11. You can easily find the values here. Here also a is equal to 8 and b is equal to 9 and 2h is equal to 18 and 2g is equal to 26 and 2f is equal to 27 and c is equal to 20. Next a is equal to 8, b is equal to 9 and 2 1 ja 2 9 ja, h is equal to how much here? 9. 2g is equal to 2 1 ja 2 13 ja, g is equal to how much here? 13. 2 1 f is equal to 27 by 2 and c is equal to 20 here. You can find all the values here. See here, this is an expression for pair of straight line as well as conic formula, conic standard equation. What is mean by conic here? What is mean by conic? Generally, conic is nothing but I am taking two overlapping right circular cone. Two overlapping right circular cone. A plane is intersecting like this. A plane is intersecting like this. The intersection part will be like this. This shape is ellipse. So the shape of ellipse is oval, and a plane is intersecting like this parallelly, then it will be circle. If a plane is intersecting like this horizontally, it is like this, it will be like this. So the shape will be hyperbola. And if a plane is intersecting like this, it is intersect like this, the shape will be parabola. So no need to get tension about this one here. So this is only about conic. Conic is nothing but, in conic we have four formats. So first one is circle, and second one is hyperbola, and third one is ellipse, and the fourth one is parabola. These are topics, these are the terms will be involved in second year here, so no need to get tension about this one here. Here this is the standard form of pair of straight lines. Now we are going to discuss some topics of pair of straight lines here according to the material. Homogeneous equation. What is homogeneous equation generally? Already we have discussed the proof for this one in last part. So the equation in which each term has same degree irrespective of variable. The equation in which each term has same degree is nothing but equal degree in all the terms. The terms are separated by always plus or minus only here. The equation in which each term has same degree irrespective of variable is called homogeneous equation. For example, I am taking it is x square. The homogeneous equation I am taking this one only, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal 0. In this equation the degree is 2 here, and the degree is 2 here. Irrespective of variable, the degree is common for all the terms, then only we can call it as homogeneous equation. What is homogeneous equation? Irrespective of variables, the degree is common for all the terms in an expression is called homogeneous expression. What is homogeneous? Here, irrespective of variables, the degree of each and every term is equal, is nothing but homogeneous equation. This is all about homogeneous equation. And the general form of homogeneous equation, a naught x to the power of 1 plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1, here 1 is there, here n minus 1, here 0 is there, n minus 0, and here y power 0 also. Y power 0 is nothing but that value becomes 1 here. So a naught x to the power of n minus 0, y to the power of 0 is nothing but a naught x to the power of n and a1 x to the power of n minus 1 into y and a plus a2 x to the power of n minus 2 y square and plus so on an y to the power of n. This is the general form of homogeneous equation. This is a general equation of second order degree homogeneous equation in terms of x and y, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal 0. This is the second order homogeneous equation in terms of x and y. Observe clearly here, the highest degree, here degree is 2, here degree is 2, here degree is 2. The degree is common for all the terms, then it can be called as second order homogeneous equation. And the separate equations of pair of lines here, already we have discussed a pair of straight line homogeneous second order degree is framed by the multiplication of two straight lines here. Here the equation of separate lines is 2ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal 0. From this, for this equation, the lines are firstly L1 and L2 are in the form of ax plus h plus square root of h square minus ab into y. It is having the combination of L1 into L2. So where L1 L2 are passing through origin, so here we don't want to add c here, we don't want to add c here, we have to remove c here. So ax plus by in the form of ax plus by, here this whole term become the coefficient of y. Here this whole term become the coefficient of y here. So where h is this coefficient of x and y here, a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of y square. So where here x is a, here a is nothing but coefficient of x only. This is nothing but lines L1 and this is L2 here. This is nothing but a square, a is nothing but x square coefficient, here b is nothing but y square coefficient. Here this is L1 coefficient, this is L2 coefficient. There is a lot of difference between this A and this A here. So this is the final product value of A. This is the L1A here. This is L2A here. This is all about the separation of equation of pair of straight line when two straight lines are passing through origin only. Passing through origin. So if you want to find, for example, generally if you want to discuss about this one, directly if I am giving, if you are not able to understand this concept, I am giving one question, that is 12x square plus 60xy plus 16y square is equal 0. For example, he is given this equation. If you want to find the here this is a combination of L1 and L2 here. Combination of L1 and L2. If you want to find L1 and L2 from this expression, this is the formula. That is the formula. Ax plus or minus h plus h square minus ab of y is equal 0. Here we don't have constant term here, so it is passing through origin. Next ax minus h square minus ab by ab into y. This is one more line, L1 and L2. These are the lines of product of second order degree homogeneous equation. And the next one is nature of pair of lines. Nature of pair of lines. Pair of lines is nothing but two lines here. The nature of these two pair of straight lines we are going to discuss here. So the second order degree homogeneous equation is that is when this is framed by L1 and L2, product of L1 and L2 here, L1 L2 is equal 0, and ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. This is the second order degree homogeneous equation here. And if this is framed by L1 and L2 are passing through origin only. If two lines are passing through all, if two lines are not passing through origin, then the equation will become ax square plus by square plus 2hxy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal 0. Here observe clearly, this is the expression for two lines are passing through origin. This is the expression for two lines are not passing through origin. This is passing through origin. This is not passing through origin. Understand the difference clearly here. This is a second order degree homogeneous equation. This is also second order degree. This is not a second order degree equation. Why? Because here we don't have degrees 2. Degree is common for all the terms. This is here in this expression we don't have common degree here. So that's why this is not a second order degree, but it is a pair of straight line equation here. It's a pair of straight line equation when the lines are not passing through origin. This is the passing through origin. This is also homogeneous equation, but in terms of degree it is not a homogeneous equation here. Simply we can call it as pair of straight line equation. The combination of pair of straight line equation we can call this one. So ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is a pair of straight line linear equation here. Pair of straight line equation, sorry, not linear equation. And for this one, here this is a combination of two lines, that is L1 and L2. Observe clearly, the first condition, if h square is greater than ab. In this expression, h square is greater than ab. For example, 12x square plus 60xy plus 16y square. H square, here h is 2h is equal to 60. H will become h is equal to 30. Half of that one. So h square is nothing but 900. 900 is greater than ab. 12 into 16. So the answer will be 6 to the 12, 1, 6 and 8, 9 1 1 is 192. So 900 is greater than 192 here. So then the lines are real and distinct line. Real, then the lines are said to be these lines of L1 and L2 are real and distinct when H square is greater than AB. In that way, similarly, the second condition, H square is equal to AB. H square is equal to AB, then the lines are L1 and L2 are coincident. Then the lines are L1, L2 are coincident. Coincident is nothing but this is L1, and on the same line, if you draw L2, so the blue line is L1, the red line is L2. The two lines are coincident is nothing but when the condition satisfies H square is equal to AB. And the third condition, H square is less than AB, then the two lines L1 and L2 are imaginary lines. Here we have a second nature of pair of lines here. The topic name is nature of pair of lines here. For this second order degree equation, second order homogeneous degree equation I am taking, that is ax square plus 2xxy plus by square is equal to 0. This is a combination of two lines here. Those two lines are not passing through origin in a coordinate axis. For those one, so we have three conditions. If H square is greater than AB, then the two lines are real and distinct, different one. And if two lines H square is equal to AB, the second condition, then the two lines are coincident each other. And if the third condition is H square is less than AB, then the two lines are imaginary lines. This is all about the introduction part of a pair of straight line chapter. In next session we will discuss about some more concepts of a pair of straight line chapter. Thank you.